Okay, so for this golf-specific workout for week 5, we're going to start off with a 3x20 squat chops, okay? So again, this is you're going to do this back to back. You're going to do 10 on each side for 20, okay? So just like last week's exercise, I had you guys grab a weight, and if you don't have a weight, you're going to use an object of some sort. That can be a laundry detergent bottle, milk, whatever you have laying around the house. This is what you're going to use today, okay? So you're going to grab your object here, get your feet in a shoulder width stance, and you're going to start off with a squat. Now, you're going to take your object and move it to the side of your body, and when you stand up for the squat, you're going to rotate, okay? So it's going to look like this. That's 1, 2, and then once you get to 10, you're going to switch. So then when you squat, you're going to bring it down to the other side, keeping that chest up. Big rotation towards the sky. So core's tight throughout this whole movement, using the legs, using the hips for that power, driving your arms up towards the sky. Once you're done with that, we're moving on to some broad jumps. Now, for these broad jumps, you have 15 of them. You want to land nice and soft and use your arms as momentum. But these are also known as frog jumps, okay? You have 15 of them. So you're going to squat down, bring those arms back, big explosion, land nice and soft. You're going to go for 15, okay? And once you reach 15, you're going to do a lateral shuffle down and back with the distance that you just jumped. So you're going to get down in a nice athletic position and shuffle down to where you started and back to where you ended those broad jumps. You're going to take a couple seconds of rest, do 15 broad jumps, lateral shuffle down and back, do it all over until you've done that 3 times. Once you've completed those 2 movements, you're going to move on to a pike plank jump push-up or plank for 20 repetitions, okay? So it's going to look a lot like this, and you have 20 of them. You're going to start in a nice push-up position here, body nice and flat, core tight. You're going to jump in with the feet, back out to that plank position. Don't let those hips sag here. So that was 1. Up, and 2. You have 20 of those. Once you're done with that, you move on to the bonus workout.